Hi friend, welcome to my channel! Let's draw the cute Peppa Pig on the tractor together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the tractor with 3 circles of different sizes for each wheel. Draw the front wheel smaller than the other wheels. Draw the front wheel mudguard with a curved line and a diagonal line. Now draw the mud cover of the rear wheel with a semicircle, a horizontal line, another semicircle, a diagonal line up to the wheel. Draw a horizontal line for the base of the tractor, a vertical line, a curved line, a diagonal line, and a curved line. Draw the step with a vertical line, a horizontal line, vertical line. Draw a control lever with 1 diagonal line, 1 curved line, 1 diagonal line, 1 curved line, and 2 diagonal lines. Trace the edge of the body following the shape already drawn. Then draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, and a vertical line on the side of the hood. Draw the drain pipe with a vertical line, a horizontal line, and another vertical line. Then draw a horizontal line inside it, 2 vertical lines, and a triangle with a rounded tip. Draw the seat with a rectangle and a diagonal line inside it. Excellent! Now draw Peppa Pig. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw an oval for the nose and 2 circles for the nostrils. Draw the head of line with a curved line below the nose, a large curved line above the nose, and 3/4 circles. Draw the mouth with 2 curved lines, then draw a circle for the cheek. Draw 2 lines in an inverted U shape for the ears. Draw the arm with 1 diagonal line, 3 inverted U-shaped lines for the hand, 1 diagonal line, and 1 inverted U-shaped line. Draw 2 ovals for the steering wheel. Draw a diagonal line for the front of the dress, and a curved line for the back. Now draw 2 diagonal lines for the steering wheel shaft, and a curved line for the horn. Draw the tail like I do. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyes, mouth, and wheels. Use pink for the skin. Use a darker pink for the nostrils and cheek. Color the dress with red. Use light blue for the wheel rims, control knob, and steering wheel. Use blue for the wheels, control lever, steering wheel shaft, and seat. Color the exhaust pipe inside of the tractor with purple. Use orange for the triangle, the horizontal band of the exhaust pipe, the rectangle on the side of the hood, and the step. Use the lighter yellow for the exhaust pipe, hood edge, and mud covers. Wow! Our friend Peppa Pig turned out great and is ready to play with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!